Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a tutorial on utilizing the versatile tool, Notion, to create a weekly family schedule, a must-have for 2025. First up, you want to create a new page in Notion. Click on the plus new page button at the left bottom corner. This will be the base for your family schedule. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for the schedule, keeping it separate from other notes or tasks. Next, let's add a title. You might want to call it Family Schedule or something similar. Naming your page ensures you can quickly identify it amongst all your other Notion pages. Now that we've done that, we need to add a calendar to this page. You'll see a plus Add a Block button just below your title. Click on that, then select Calendar from the drop-down menu. This gives you a visual layout of the days and weeks, helping to identify overlapping schedules or find free slots quickly. Next up, it's time to add events to your calendar. Click on any date, then New Event to add an event. Title it, perhaps Dad's Doctor's Appointment or School Play, then hit Enter. This step is important because it allows you to populate the calendar with all the necessary family tasks, appointments, and events, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's customize these events. Clicking on an event opens it up, and you'll find numerous options to add notes, change the date, or assign it to a family member. This helps us because it allows for greater detail, context, and accountability for each event. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to use Notion for creating a weekly family schedule. Remember, the key here is to keep this as a living, breathing document, updating it regularly as plans change and tasks get completed. This will ensure your family stays organized and on track, making the best use of your time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tricks.